Hello and welcome to CPT421. It is a Java programming principles and it's utilizing the NetBeans system. If you look in, I believe, Unit 1 or the course material, one or the other, it has a link to download NetBeans. Now, in my micro lesson this particular week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss what your programs look like, what you have to kind of do on a weekly basis, and how you have to go about explaining to me what's going on. What's really super important here is make sure to include all the information, and when you do your worksheets, make sure to have all the information included that you need, and you're speaking to those and things along those lines, because if you don't have them, I'll ask for them. And it kind of gets into you're trying to tell me where the stuff is, I'm trying to tell you what you're missing, kind of going back and forth. And I'll also get more into videos because I will be requiring my students to make videos. I started this last semester and I was very, very pleased because number one, I can see the program work. Number two, I get to hear your voice and to see whether or not you're honestly, I can tell if you're competent in what you're doing or you have some issues and things along those lines, and I might be able to address those. Additionally, students themselves are able to catch issues that they might have as they go through the sections. So it is generally a win-win where that's concerned. And the easiest way, and this is what I use Screencast-O-Matic, www.screencast-O-Matic, and it downloads a small program. You have up to, let's say, 15 minutes to make a video, and then you can choose to upload it to YouTube, and then when you turn stuff in, you do all the requirements that they have, and you give me a video. And once again, when I go into my micro lesson for Unit 1, I will be discussing that. But otherwise, it's good to have you here. Welcome aboard. And I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thank you.